Hi everybody, this is how to make a faceless video. It's as fast as possible. I will do this. You head over to your Play Store. Head over to your Play Store. Once you open, you tap on this search. Then you tap on this. You see Blink by Foso. You type it. So once you type it, you download. Once you download, you tap on open. Once it opens, allow it to load. Once it opens, you tap on this AI script. Tap on it, AI script. Then you tap on this place. Tap on it. Then you type in what you want to do, what the story you want. Write me, write me a story about my love. My love. Then you tap on this generate script. Okay. Tap on generate script. Then the script is ready. Alright. So once you see it like this, you tap on this copy sign. Tap on it. It has copied. Then you head over to what do they call it? Notepad. Tap on notepad. Tap on notepad. Hold on, no. This is my previous work I did. So you once you tap on notepad, you tap on plus. Head over to you tap on love is story. Okay. Then you paste it. I will still show you the reason why you paste it. Okay. Then you you head over to your Chrome. Tap on this Chrome. Right. So when you tap on this Chrome, you type here, you come here, you tap, you write hypernatural.ai. This is it. Hypernatural.ai. So once you open it, you tap on this sign up. Tap on the sign up. Once you tap on sign up, we tap on this sign in with Google. Those people that have those people that have plenty email, so you choose an email. Me, I will choose this anyone. Okay, choose any email. Choose any email. Allow it to load. To allow it to load, type on bike movement. Okay, bike movement. Then you tap on continue. Then channel or influencer name. So when you choose this, you just tap on next. Tap on next. You see, they will show you this thing. Once they show you this, you tap on this cancel. Just cancel it. Cancel it. I don't want anybody to start asking me questions because I take my time to do this video so that you see it. So now you have 100 credits here. Is the 100 credit you use and create that particular video complete. Okay. So now what you do is you tap on here. Leave everything as it is. The style, the length, the blah blah blah. Leave everything like that. Okay. Leave everything like that. Alright, so just leave everything the way it is. You tap on this place. Once you tap on here, you now paste that your script. Paste the script. Once you paste the script, you now come down here, you see make video. Alright, so you tap on it. You see that it's Alex that is making my video. You see it? It's Alex that is making my video. So if I want to change it, I will see change it. I can decide to say, okay, I don't want Alex, I want somebody else. I will just choose somebody, but I want Alex. Alright, so it is here that you change the person that is talking, the narrator, blah 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 and blah. Alright. So I just want it to be like that. So I will tap on this make video. Alright. So once I tap on that, my video is has started creating. So I will wait until the video is complete, then I will come. So my faceless video is ready. Let us play and see. Alright, so this video is not complete. This video is not complete. So what I will do is I will now go to the end of the video. The end of the video will tell me where I stop. Alright. So I will now play. What I what I cherish most is the little things. Now I will now go and look for that. I will now go, you see that is the reason why we store it on notepad. Alright. What I cherish most is the little things. Notepad, where are you? This is notepad. Alright. So let's look for what I cherish most. Alright. Aha. This is it. What I cherish most is the little things. Then the way I'll now start it to copy it down. Alright. Copy to the end. Right. So I will now tap on. Hey, sorry. Let's go back again and tap on this to the end. And I tap on copy. Then I now go back again to this place. You know that we did not save this video, so I'm going to save the video now first. You tap on this, tap on this. Alright, so you tap on start export. So it's exporting the video. Let it export. Now once it finish exporting, you now tap on this save video. Save video. You see 100%. Just tap on save video. Alright, so the video now is downloading. It's done. Now I will now go back. Now go back. Now you see that time I copied that link or the remaining part of the thing. So I will now post it here. Here you see it. Now paste it. So once I paste it, I now tap on. It's still Alex. So make sure that it's the same person that is making the same video. Alright. or you wait. Now you see that place, make a video, tap on it. It's getting things set up, getting all the things set up now. You see all the script is writing, it's writing by itself. Narrator, narrator's partner, blah 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 blah. So all these things will be put into place. Very good. So the video is now ready. It's now ready. Now let us go and edit. Let us go and edit these videos. The two of them will join together and remove the watermark and do all the editing. Alright. So that will be in my next video. So watch out for my next video.